Ready?
Yeah.
So today we're going to be climbing Mam Tor, one of the most popular hikes in the Peak District. We're going to be going through the route that we've done and then some of the other possible routes that you can do.
We're also going to be taking you through our essential items that we bring with us on a hike and what bag you should be using to go on a day hike as well.
This is scary. Did you just get engaged? We just got engaged, I think.
In terms of parking, there's plenty of different options available because you can make the walk to Mam Tor as long or as easy as you want it to be. So for example, you can park here right near the village of Castleton and walk up from there. There's both paid and free options available, but there's also a car park right near the top of Mam Tor, which will take you just 20 to 30 minutes to get to the top. Whoa, what are these guys doing? Climbing?
Oh, they might have been training, that might have been what they were doing. What have they got? They've got buckets and spades, like the beach.
So do you want a fun little fact? That rock face on the left hand side of Winnats Pass up there is a great little camping spot. Would highly recommend. So one of the most commonly asked questions that we get is what size backpack do you need for a hike or a multi-day hike and stuff like that?
And it completely depends on the activity that you're actually doing. So day packs are more for those one-day hikes, excursions and activities and that type of thing.
So today we're both wearing Daypack. I'm wearing the Protium 27 litre by Rab and Jodie's wearing the Rab 18 litre Nitron backpack as well. They're both Daypacks, different sizes, but what does that actually mean? So the different sizes depend on the length of hike that you're doing. So for a 2 to 3 hour hike, a 10 to 20 litre backpack will suffice, so the Nitron will be perfect. But for a half day hike, again, Nitron is perfect for that because 15 to 25 litres will be enough depending on the time of year that you're doing it. And then if you're looking for a full day hike, then something of 20 to 30 litres will be perfect. So the Protium 27 litres will be ideal for that. Or if you're going in the winter, then something a bit bigger will hold more stuff like your down jackets and your waterproof jackets as well. So if you want to go up by Great Ridge, then there's two options that you can take. There's this one to the right, which is the easier option. And then there's also Elbow Ridge, which is a grade 3 scramble, which I would not recommend for beginners.
Like me.
Yeah.
So like, which is the most popular route?
The most popular route to Mam Tor is from the car park, which sits right below it. So it's like 20 to 30 minutes, it's really accessible. So for people who don't walk often, the greatest option and probably one of the easiest hikes you can do in the Peak District to get there.
Is it pretty steep?
No, not really.
That was actually really steep.
Which way do you reckon I go?
This.
So this is Elbow Ridge. It's a grade 3 scramble, but we're not going to head up that because we don't have the right kit for it today. But what we are going to head up is up this way. I'm going to head up here on my own. Jodie and Finney, who's on camera, are going to head up this way, up there.
Because I am too scared to, I don't want to say I'm too scared to do it, but I'm too scared to do it.
Right, I'll meet you at the top.
Bye, have fun. Obviously, after seeing Ethan do that, I'm probably never going to do that. We're going to take the easy route, which is probably about 10-15 minutes. So you may as well come with me. The hell? This is scary. Oh my God. Can't really see anything. Come here. I tried to put my torch on, but it's that deep. You can't see. Oh, it stinks. So obviously you've just seen Ethan basically scramble, because it essentially is. Can you just like give a brief explanation as to what a scramble is for people that don't really know?
So scramble is essentially the difference between sort of just hill walking and then rock climbing as well. So adding a bit of scrambling in nature whereby you're using your hands as well as your feet to sort of scale rocks. And then it's graded from like grade 1 to 3, where grade 1 is less exposed, and then a grade 3 is like Elbow Ridge, where it's essentially an exposed knife ridge where both sides of your sheer drops, and that's where you should be wearing helmets and ropes and stuff, which is why I didn't do it. For today's hike, we're both wearing the Rab Daypacks. I'm wearing the Rab Protium 27 litre, while Jodie is wearing the Rab Nitron 18 litre. Oh, I've got Ladybird on me.
Oh, I love that.
The Rab Protium 27 litre comes with many great features, including some mesh side stash pockets for your water bottles and other items, front stash pocket for your easy to access items, a main storage compartment, as well as some top pockets for your security items such as your keys and your wallet and your phone. It also comes with some hip pockets to keep some easy access items close to you. The bag also features a ripstop nylon which helps to protect it from ripping against some of the harsh conditions which you might face on a walk. Another cool feature of the backpack is the walking pole straps. It's got these elastic clips which help to keep it in place, as well as these loops to prevent them from moving down the back. And also the pack weighs 1 kilo, so it's an easy lightweight bag to carry all day. An amazing feature of both packs is that they come with this mounting distress signal guide, so in case of an emergency you know what to do, and all around the world it gives you the numbers of what to call. I think you should propose. Yes. Yes.
They just got engaged, I think.
They just got engaged.
Did you just get engaged?
Yes.
Congratulations! This is going to be featuring in a rap video.
It's a rack video.
Rap? Oh my god, I wish it was rap. That would be so cool.
So the Nitron 18 litre is slightly different. It still has the ripstop fabric, the same as Ethan's, but it's a little bit smaller, can't hold as much. It's got the 2 side pockets. I put my water in there for easy access. It's got a little bit of a safety pocket at the top. I put tissues in there or anything that you think you're going to need. It's got the contour back panel for air escape. And then I'll just put it on and show you the front. It has the front straps for bounce-free technology. So when you're out on your hike, super easy to get around without your bag moving around with you and jigging around. And then the adjustable pull-down toggles as well. And one more thing I forgot to mention is the Nitron 18 litre can hold up to a 3 litre water bladder. So when you're out and about on your hikes, it's super handy to have. I really want my dinner. I really want my dinner.
Dinner at the top?
Dinner at the top. Dinner always at the top. Oh look, a little mushroom! Your unemployed friend on a Wednesday. I'm actually not hungry, like, at all. I really want my dinner. These fields produce your food. Sheep.
Here is probably one of the busiest parts of Mam Tor. As you can see, there's cars everywhere. That's why we'd recommend parking a little bit over towards Castleton, because then when you end as well, you can go to the pub, you can go get an ice cream, do whatever you want. But this is the final ascent. You can see people heading up over there. Got lovely views over to Edale, back towards Castleton, over to Win Hill.
Leave no trace. That was actually really steep. It's very deceiving, that bit. Oh, you can feel like the breeze. Oh.
Whoa. Oh. You just run off a cliff. Yeah, you feel it, mate?
That's crazy. That's genuinely crazy. I'm not even gonna lie, this is probably one of the least challenging walks I've ever done. I like it when you do a hike and the reward is better than the actual, like, you know, when you've not hiked as hard. That sounds really bad, but like, you know what I mean.
We've just reached the summit. You can see where we came from down there near Castleton. It's a beautiful walk up through Winnats Pass. One of the main key features when you come to Mam Tor is Broken Road. It's part of the old A625 which was shut down in 1979, and it's a beautiful part of the walk that can take you up to Mam Tor as well.
It was shut to traffic in 1979 because of landslides, so cars don't come across it now, but people do walk along it regularly. I feel like when you're on a hike, there's loads of different things you can bring, and it's like hard to pick what the essentials are. So what are the top 3 things you take with you?
For me, my top 3 essentials on a hike would be water, which is very boring, but very essential. A first aid kit, because you never know when you're going to need a first aid kit. And an extra layer, because I know for me personally, body temperature fluctuates quite a lot and I get very cold and I always need an extra layer.
Right, boss, where are we going?
So you can either take the whole route, which is all along the ridge, but we're going to take the shorter route and going to take a path all the way down back to Castleton, because that's where we came from.
So we're going to start descending now, just right behind you there, through the gate and back into Castleton. One thing that I did forget to mention about the Protium 27 litre is that it comes with its own rain cover. So when you're hit by the elements in the British weather, which is guaranteed at points, you will be covered. And it's nice and bright, so you can be seen while you're out walking.
So we've got Millie's Honesty Box, got home baked some free range eggs. See what it's got in it. no change.
Whoa, that's some good eggs.
I don't actually want anything, I'm going to save myself for the ice cream. But that's a good thing to look out for if you walk back towards Castleton. Millie's honesty box.
There's the castle there. Sick. We are back in Castleton. So that is us back in Castleton, just over 7 kilometres of walking for the day, and it took us over about 4.5 hours because we were pretty slow. But we really enjoyed it, it's a great walk, and if you want to buy the Protium 27 litre or the Nitron 18 litre, you can find them over on the Go Outdoors website or in store.
Thanks for watching. Bye.